unless you mean it like that. It's 6:42. Thursday drive home. Be safe out there. Roads are just a mess. I-250's in pretty bad shape. Just slow down. Take that extra time with you. A lot of people, going a little fast. At least I'm getting a lot of calls about that. Be safe. Arrive safe. Here's Casey Musgraves.
You ain't got 2 kids by 21, you're probably gonna die alone. At least that's what